real feeling. Meet Hapto, the world's first controller that makes each touch in VR absolutely real. Try to touch it. It's so real that you're going to blush. Or laugh.
Gosh, was that a corpse?
I can feel it too.
Want to know what the secret is? It's an innovative technology with tiny pushers that create 100% real feelings.
It's the first time you can experience the unknown, so join us and help to change the virtual reality forever.
Using Hapto is a piece of cake. No wires. Run VR, put it on, and you're all set up. Let's make this huge step in VR together, and we'll get a whole VR world of opportunities. Hapto. Touch it, feel it.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Hey, check this out. Play 360 video.
Can I try that?
Yeah, sure.
Virtual reality has opened up many ways of experiencing our reality. Imagine riding your bike in different virtual environments from the comfort of your living room. Introducing Blink, the world's first VR bike controller, with an easy setup in your favorite VR device. Blink enables you to ride your bike in a virtual environment as if you were outdoors. Take a ride in first-person view, or switch to a broader angle third-person view of your avatar in the virtual world. While riding, Blink's path sensors capture your bike's turning motion while the speed sensor measures the speed of your bike, giving you the best biking experience in VR and freedom to go anywhere in the virtual world. Our team of engineers are working on bringing you different experiences like extreme biking, fitness tracking, games, or just a beautiful environment to bike and explore. If that's not enough, you're able to create your own experience and invite your friends to bike together over the network. Ready to ride? Visit our crowdfunding page today to learn more on how you can help us get Blink to the market and get your own device and start biking. Blink. Ride anywhere.